Welcome to the Speedcast Compass Customer Portal, your gateway to complete visibility and transparency for your network services. At Speedcast, we understand the importance of personalized customer support. That's why we've made it easy for you to access our dedicated 24/7 customer support team directly through the Compass portal. Join us as we walk through the portal, showcasing the helpful features and functionalities that customers have access to. This is the login screen. If you have your credentials, you can enter them here. If not, you can click Register Now. This will take you to a form that, once submitted, will be sent to the Compass team. Once you have received the credentials, you can come back to the login screen and enter them. Once you have logged in, if you have multiple companies associated with your account, you will see the Select Company screen. From here, you can choose a company, and that will show all of the relevant services associated with that account. This will load the map view. The map view can be either in this 3D Earth, or it's toggleable to 2D up here in the upper right-hand corner. On the map, you'll see all of your sites or vessels that have GPS associated with them. And we can click either on the map or on the sidebar in order to view the relevant statistics to that modem. And as Starlink's authorized integrator, Speedcast customers will have access to Starlink's network statistics via the Compass portal. It will provide an approximate location of the kit. And then below that, we have our data statistics for the month. You'll see your data usage. This is cumulative for the month, as well as the most recent signal quality. Below that, you'll see any active alerts that are available. These alerts will update every 15 seconds, and they will show anything that was active in the last 15 seconds as well. These show anything that could affect the service, for instance, any obstructions to the antenna or any pending reboots. Below that, you'll see your service line usage. The service line usage is the total amount of usage that you have for this month, broken down over a 24-hour period. Below that, you'll see your signal quality, throughput, latency and ping drop rate, obstruction, and your modem uptime. Along the top, we also have different sections of the site. So we have a performance tab. From here, you can see your uptime across all of your different modems, and you can hover over these in order to see what the time was that they were online or offline. And you can click on these to go to the specific modem statistics as well. These are searchable up here at the top, and they are paginated. There are reports available as well. We have our services overview report that shows all of the services for your account. This provides more of an overview of each of the modems, and so that you can compare them directly to each other. If you have Starlink accounts, you will be able to see all of those grouped together in an overview report with the Starlink overview section here. We also have the support section. From here, you can view all of the cases associated with your account. These are searchable with the search bar up here, but they also have filters in the upper right-hand corner. Here, you can filter by service, status, or priority. These are exportable to CSV. And you can also open a new case by clicking on the new case button here. So I'll automatically fill in your company and your email address. We also have change requests. Change requests are required to still be submitted by your SDM, but you're able to view them all on the change requests part of the support menu. Finally, we have the Manage My Services tab. From here, you can activate your kits via this section here by clicking Agree to Starlink Management. And then if you have any Starlink kits that are available, these will show up and allow you to name them and activate them by choosing a plan. If you have active kits, you can view them from your Manage My Services overview of services. This will take you in to view all of your current plans. It'll tell you the site or vessel name that you have chosen, the kit name, the status, and the current plan that it is on, as well as the activated date and whether or not you are opted in to priority data. Deactivate kits from the Compass portal. Deactivations will be processed immediately. From the Manage My Services, Starlink, Overview of Services, choose the kit to be deactivated. Click on the kit to be deactivated and then click Edit and then click Deactivate. Speedcast customers can easily manage role-based access and user permissions within the portal. To do so, navigate to the Speedcast Platform's Permissions page. The FAQ button on the top right corner will open an overview of the Compass Role-Based Access Control System, which outlines available roles and the management of user permissions. To narrow down the list of records displayed, use the search fields and the filter options. User permissions roles include admin, service changes, support full access, and support read-only access. At least one user in the company must be designated as the admin. While there is no limit to the number of admin users, keep in mind that the admin can make service changes with commercial impact. Once an admin user is assigned, other user permissions can be managed under the Manage My Services menu Permissions section. Check or uncheck permissions for each user as needed. Speedcast offers 15 categories of APIs for customers to utilize and implement. With the implementation of these easy-to-use APIs, data that is available today in Compass can be shown in an internal portal for all team members to view and see the latest graphics, statistics, or usage data. Under Resources, API Documentation, once the developer opens the API documentation, a list of APIs is clearly labeled. Choose the API to be implemented and follow the instructions provided. Finally, up in the upper right-hand corner, we have our toggle for our light mode and our dark mode. We have a new case button. You can use this to quickly create a case, either regarding your service or regarding any bugs that you might find in Compass. We have an alerts icon, which will show if there are any alerts that are currently active for any of the modems on your account. And then we have the user icon. This will allow you to manage your account, including any information about yourself, as well as your photo, and then some default settings for Compass itself, including whether or not the theme is light or dark, the language setting, and the start page. If you select a different start page, every time you log in to Compass, it will go directly to that page instead of the map view. You can also change your password here. We also have any resources that are available here in the upper right-hand corner. Before we conclude, we want to emphasize the importance of account security. To protect your sensitive information, please be sure to log out after each visit to the portal. If you're a Speedcast customer and would like access to the portal, simply visit the portal homepage to register for an account or create a support ticket. We're here to assist you every step of the way. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please explore the resources section within the portal or reach out to our dedicated Speedcast customer support team. Thanks for joining us for this Compass Portal demo.